Alder here with Alegria Builders, and as the porcelain countertops are becoming more popular in the last few years, it will be great to talk a little bit about that. So once porcelain slabs are manufactured to be used as a countertop, a coat of pigmented glaze is applied to the surface of the porcelain to create the look of a natural stone, marble, or to create different colors and patterns. But for now, let me let you know a little bit about the pros and cons of porcelain countertops. Pros is heat and stain and scratch resistant. It's a great choice for outdoors. You can find these products on different colors and patterns. It's easy maintenance, and since it's 100% natural product, it's very easy to recycle. Cons of countertops, porcelain countertops, is the price. So the price is a major factor to consider, and also the labor to manufacture or to fabricate the countertops are kind of high too, because it's kind of new on the market. On the edge profiles, you are limited on that too. You have a few options, but it's not as the quartz or natural stone. And plus the pattern, if you can see, the printed pattern is just on the surface. It's not going all the way through, so you're not gonna be able to see the pattern on the edges. And another thing is that you are going to find these products on polish, made, and honed, which is just the press finish. And another thing is that porcelain countertops is prone or have the tendency to crack when you put a lot of pressure on the skinned areas. So hopefully this information was helpful for you, and see you in the next video. Thank you.